on the Costa del Sol, a village with a typical Andalusian flavour. With peaceful surroundings at Guadalmina Dam, where it feels luxurious to get to know the native species of fauna and flora. Rugged mountain scenery with a multitude of natural twists and bends. Panoramic views of the county boundary. A natural site of high ecological value, conducive to healthy living. To playing golf, to enjoying an unforgettable holiday. Modernity and tradition in harmonious coexistence. Folk architecture and a wide choice of recreational pursuits. To keep the visitor entertained and look after his or her well-being. Benahavís. Come live with us.